no gunshots, but they getting low, 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 low.
See me turn around back there. Figure y'all did. Started out with me clocking her first. She come out of the back of y'all and just passed. Who was in the inside lane? I have to look at my camera. One of y'all was in the inside lane that she passed. Which one of y'all was it? Huh?
I don't even remember, honestly.
One of y'all was in the inside lane about the 45. She passed it. I clocked her when she was going up behind y'all. By the time I turned around, the one that was in the inside lane just dipped through traffic. By the time I caught her deal, all y'all was getting it by then. I'm running 140, so I looked down, I said, damn, he getting it too, all y'all.
Hey,
bring your license here. Huh?
Hey, if we promise to slow it down, to get out of this one.
Where you going at so fast? What I'm talking about? I clocked you first. Listen, now don't start lying, because let me tell you, my camera caught it off. You was behind all them in the inside lane of traffic. Alright, I clocked you speeding. That's why I even turned around. They wasn't even speeding. I coming after you. Now they don't speed up. All of them hauling ass now. 3 of them jumped in the inside lane. You still got one in the inside middle lane. You the reason I came after y'all.
I think each one is a good one.
I really don't have my ID on there. I keep my
Where's your ID at?
It fell out. I went to grab it for real.
She really does that. I mean, this is not fiance. She really does have a license.
I swear to God, I do.
And normally
it
I
was in my
hold it.
pocket.
Normally I would hold it.
No, I brought it, and it's not in my pocket no more.
Listen, I'm gonna give all y'all a warning. You alright. Hey, like I said, no
you
hold.
saw me laughing.
You was the reason I came after y'all.
I
You can't look. I saw. Hey, the motorcycles they running about a Look, he was out there waiting on y'all too. He was gonna shut it
Oh
down.
no, you saw me turn around and come back.
Yeah, I
I didn't have to do that. You know.
I'm a motorcycle rider. I ride a booster, so I know how it is. But y'all slow it down, all right?
Hey, this is the booster.
Green.
Yes, sir. I really appreciate it. And
Cook.
it was my fault.
You gave me your insurance card too?
You asked for it.
Yeah. I'll just make sure that's yours.
Turn it off or not.
All right.
Let's have a smoke break.
Jason.
Can I have my cigarettes, please?
And there.
Hey, what year booster you got?
13.
Can I take a picture with you?
Well, it don't matter to you, buddy. You ain't got a booster. Hey, you know Sonny Bradley.
Let me get a lighter, somebody.
I don't ride in a group. I just ride.
Yeah, well, me and him drove together.
I know how it is when you get on the interstate on that motorcycle, man.
We don't ride working together.
Huh? Doug Shire? Yeah. No. Yeah, he working. Yeah, he working.
Hey, we got some cops to bring in.
I'm telling you.
Who? What's the name?
Jonathan Bassoon.
Massar.
I fly airplanes and drugs.
I gotta get
I gotta get my photographic evidence.
Keep it a log. How many times
I know. I saw you when you first got your
But
license.
yeah, she the one got me to come out.
Man, they kept leaving me, and my bike is so slow.
Hey, she's the only one on the 600.
Hey,
Oh, you got a dog too?
I had to. The last time I looked down, I was running 150 before I got up there.
I'm sorry.
So you was getting.
I'm the only girl. You get it, right?
she was going, so we had to catch her.
I got you.
Yeah, we wasn't just speeding, we wasn't trying to catch her, that's all it was.
Yeah.
Blame it.
Hey,
See,
I
I
said,
get
look,
blamed.
I said she gonna be the runner. Watch, cause she never
No.
got out of it. She never saw me on the thing.
I seen you, and as soon as I did, I went ahead, pulled over, and I pulled
No.
up right there.
I'm talking about when we was back here about
No, I
2 miles.
didn't.
You
I
never saw me
didn't. I
about 2
really
miles.
didn't. I'm
I
sorry.
just come over my headphone and told him,
That's what
I said, man, we're going to there. We need to slow that
That's what I said. I said she never saw me walk.
I
I
really
said,
didn't.
hey, she ain't come out of it yet.
Well, my bad. And I did. I turned around and I came back.
Yep.
I turned around.
And that's why I gave y'all the warning. Y'all be careful. Like I said, I ride bikes too, so I know how it gets sometimes, you know.
I appreciate it, man.
Y'all ain't going no crazy.
It's my first time riding in a long time. I got wrecked a couple months ago. So
You
my
better be
first
careful.
time. I am. It wasn't
Fellas,
my
y'all,
fault.
ladies, y'all be careful, okay?
Thank you.
All right,
appreciate it, man.
My bad, yo. Hey, I thought it was you. I was like, damn, what fucking shit I'm doing? I was like,
I took a couple pictures. I was like,
I already took one, I'm just
trying to pull my camera back up.
no, he seen me falling. I was like, what are you talking about?
Give like an option